how to turn off top picks for you, quick access, other recommendations on your Roku's home screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Roku's home screen so that it just shows the channels that you have installed on it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to do this, we need to go all the way left from the home screen until we're on home in this left menu. Then scroll down and select settings. Once you're on settings, scroll to the right. And then in this menu, scroll down until you get to home screen. Now we need to go to recommended rows, go to the right and select hide. Then go back to the left, scroll down to quick access and scroll right and select hide. So now we can select the home button on our Roku remote. And when we go back, you'll see that all those recommended for you or quick access sections on the home screen are gone. And now we just have our Roku channels. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.